Today, we're using Pillsbury biscuit dough to make these amazing savory and creamy beef stuffed buns. That's right, these golden brown snacks hide a delightful secret of a satisfying filling with creamy roux, tender beef, savory mushrooms, sweet carrots, and aromatic parsley. It's a symphony of flavors. With just one bite, you'll be hooked. So get ready to turn a can of biscuits into an absolute deliciousness. We'll begin by preparing the filling. Grab 250 grams of flank steak and rub it with a touch of avocado oil. Proceed to season the steak with salt and pepper. Flip it over and give the other side the same treatment. Pan fry the steak over medium-high heat, cooking it until it's medium well in the center. Allow the steak to rest for a few minutes to allow the juices to redistribute, then dice it into small pieces. Next, place it on a plate and set it aside. After that, we're going to quickly slice up 200 grams of mushrooms. Cook the mushrooms in a bit of oil over medium heat until they become nice and tender. Let's put this mushroom aside as well. Now we'll create the creamy roux by melting 100 grams of unsalted butter, ensuring the heat is low. Gradually add 110 grams of flour, stirring continuously until the roux reaches a thick consistency. As soon as the mixture forms a paste, gradually pour 3 cups of chicken or beef stock. Continue stirring until the roux develops a creamy, smooth texture, as you can see here. To achieve a truly smooth and velvety texture in your roux, stir in 35 ml of heavy cream. And carefully add 1 egg yolk. Keep stirring until smooth and glossy. Alright, let's add some flavor. We'll start seasoning the roux with 10 ml of yellow mustard, 10 ml of Worcestershire sauce. For umami, add 5 ml of Maggi sauce, 3 grams of onion powder. Add 1 gram of grated nutmeg to infuse the roux with a subtle warmth. Just stir it up until all the ingredients are mixed together really well. Have a taste and then add salt and white pepper to your liking. Now return the cooked beef and the sauté mushrooms to the mixture. For a little sweetness to balance the savory, let's add 150 grams of finely diced carrot. Let's throw in 5 grams of fresh chopped parsley for a little color. Give it one last stir and then we're going to take it off the heat. Put the roux in a bowl and we're going to let it go in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight to get it nice and thick so it's easy to handle later. To make the buns, we're going to use Pillsbury biscuits to produce 10 pieces. Let's use a rolling pin to flatten this dough out a bit. Spoon approximately 2 scoops of the filling onto the center of the flattened dough. Now we are going to gently stretch the dough to completely cover the filling. Use your hand to drop the dough until it has a smooth surface. Let's put these buns onto a baking sheet. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of either avocado or olive oil with 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley. Apply the oil mixture evenly over the surface of each bun. Now, bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Behold, just look at these. These fluffy buns are absolutely packed with a rich, creamy, and savory beef and veggie filling, creating a truly comforting and delicious snack, perfect for any time of day. We truly hope you enjoy this simple and delicious savory treat. And please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss another quick, easy, and delicious recipes.